Hey y'all, it's Kitty. Today I'm filming a little bit later in the day than usual because I've had some medical stuff going on. Nothing to worry about. I'm okay. But so I didn't get a chance to film this morning. I just want to remind you guys my 100 subscriber giveaway, link in the cards, whichever side that is ending June 5th. You have to subscribe and comment on that video in order to be entered. And so today I'm going to be doing a Z palette bingo with my 3 Z palettes. Pink tones, I have my purple, blue, and green, my red, orange, yellow, and my pinks, browns, and other. So I'm going to randomly generate 2 numbers per color. I'm going to pick 4 colors. The first number is going to be which palette, and I'm going to do them in order by size. They are slightly different sizes, smallest to largest. So this is 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to generate a second number. I'm going to hold the palette with the top flap up and count 1 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, going this way. So why don't we just get started? So the first color is palette 3, shade 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, my favorite purple. Purple from Coastal Scents. I got palette 3 one more time. Then I got shade 7. Perfect Plum by Coastal Scents. I got 3 again. Then I got 2, which is Backstage by Colourpop. I got palette 3 the 4th time. I swear I'm just randomly generating numbers with Google. Then I got shade 15. This is the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette in Fireflies. And I'm going to pick a 5th color for bingo because these colors are all quite, well, there's 2 purples and a blue in here. So I'm going to grab a 5th color. And we got palette 1 and shade 15. So shade 15 is this light, almost white shade. So here we are for colors. I will swatch those. So this is the color palette we're working with. I don't think I mentioned, but the white shade is from the My Little Pony and Colourpop palette. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this, but I have some ideas. So I'm going to go prime my eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I will be right back. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Real Techniques 200 fluffy brush and put it in the white and use that to set my lid. I hope that doesn't count as cheating. Now because this is a lighter shade than I usually use to set my lid, the other colors should theoretically come across more vibrant. It's like using a marker on a white piece of paper versus a beige piece of paper. The white background just gives it more of a pop. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop Totally Not Named brush and go into Purple by Coastal Scents and put that in my crease because apparently I have a need to put purple in my crease. Let me move you closer. How's that? Is that better? Let me know down below if you like the closer view. I have to physically move the computer because I'm filming with a computer. So just let me know. I can't I don't think there's a way for me to just zoom in with this. So let me know what you think down below. Now I'm going to go into Backstage, which is the blue shade, with the same brush and darken up the outer corner. And I ended up blending that about halfway down the lid, but I want it to be blended evenly, not heavy, 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 nothing. You know, I want it to be like heavy to light to nothing. Next, I'm going to put Fireflies from the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. It's a lot more of a like a mix between a lime and an olive in person. I can't really tell what it's coming across as on camera. So I'm going to put that on the inner corner and try and blend it into the blue. And I'm going to use my fingers to do that. So I know I got that down here a little bit, and I will clean that up later. What I'm going to do is go back in with the brush. I'm not going to go back in with the Colourpop brush that we used the blue with. I'm not going to add any color, but I'm just going to blend those two together a little bit. So now we've used every color except for Perfect Plum, and what I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. eyeliner brush and smudge that along my lower lash line. But first we're going to clean up the Fireflies where we don't want it. Now I'm going to put on mascara and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look of my Z palette Bingo. I really enjoy how it came out. I'm actually really happy with it. I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. If you want to enter my 100 subscriber giveaway, that'll be right over here, as well as in the description box below. All the instructions are in that video. I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!